Ruian Loyal Machinery Company Limited, located in Ruian City, China, specialized in the slitting machine, die-cutting machine, and printing machine making for many years in the application of label, flexible packing, electric protector film, optical film, new energy, and paper industry. Raloyal not only sells to the domestic market but also the global market, such as North America, Europe, South America, Middle East, and South Asia. The reliable quality and service help us gaining many regular customers, whose sales percentage occupied 80% of overall sales performance. Raloyal has always been devoted to providing a global solution to the demands of a market in constant development with competitive and tailored equipment, including the latest solutions in innovation, technology, and sustainability. In order to give optimum responses to our customers, we have set agency in Germany, Venezuela, which can provide immediate technical support available to minimize the waiting time for customers. You are always warmly welcome to visit us at both first and second floor, number 3588 of Dongshan Economic Development Zone, Ruian, China. We deeply believe that Raloyal will become your loyal partner once we have a chance to start the cooperation. Our values: integrity, profession, passion, innovation. Our vision: to be the leader in the converting equipment industry in the global market. Our mission: providing the sustainable, professional solution to the global customer with the most competitive price, excellent service, and lifetime support. Our slogan: Raloyal, your loyal converting solution provider.